Good morning, everyone. An active weather day going to be shaping up for us here across North Texas. We've got the severe weather aspects. All the ingredients are in place. So this is what we're looking at as we get into the afternoon and evening, and then again into the overnight hours heading into early Sunday morning. It's a level 3 risk for everyone there shaded in orange and a level 4 risk for those shaded in the red coloring. So this does include the DFW area heading out towards the north and to the west, and even the spots located in the level 1 and 2 risk. Still need to be weather aware. Damaging winds, hail, and also tornadoes all on the table for us here today. So something that we'll need to monitor very closely, especially those two time periods, late this afternoon and evening, and then again into the overnight heading into early Sunday morning. This morning, it's actually pretty quiet. We've got some clouds in place, a few breaks in the clouds from time to time through about lunchtime, and we may see a sprinkle or a light shower or two developing. As we get into the afternoon, though, we're going to watch the cap potentially erode, and then thunderstorms will quickly develop across parts of our area, and those will quickly turn severe. And then as we move into tonight, additional rounds of thunderstorms going to be heading our direction. You'll notice that's line developing by 2-3 a.m. out towards the west. That's what's going to be pushing its way into the Metroplex early Sunday morning, and this also has that concern of severe weather across our area. So something that we'll need to monitor closely. That will push out by about 9 a.m. and then into Sunday afternoon. Additional showers and thunderstorms going to be potentially a problem here across our region. So the threats are there for us. It's large hail, some of which could be very large. And we're also looking at the concern for damaging winds, especially with that overnight line getting into early Sunday morning. Some of the winds could gust upwards of 70 miles per hour. A few tornadoes are on the table, and some of those tornadoes could be very strong. So that's also something we'll need to monitor closely. And heavy rain and localized flooding, something else that we'll be watching. A wind advisory has been issued for all of the areas here shaded in this tan coloring. It runs from noon today until midnight tonight. Winds are coming in out of the south, occasionally gusting upwards of 40 miles per hour. So really strong winds with us as we head throughout the course of the day today. And then on top of that, we have a flood watch in place across much of North Texas for everyone there shaded in green. That runs until Sunday evening. Widespread 1 to 3 inch rain amounts going to be found here across the area, and some locally higher amounts a possibility. Things will improve as we get into early next week. Some sunshine set to work its way back into the picture Monday and Tuesday. Then some additional thunderstorms possible again as we get towards the mid to end of next week.